Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe. For those who have already subscribed, please welcome back. And today we are going to look at, in this video rather, we are going to look at volumes of revolution. This topic applies to IGCSE, AS and A levels. It also applies to additional mathematics for O-level mathematics, O-level additional mathematics, it applies. And we can say for additional mathematics for those who are in Zambia and for ECZ. So let us go through the question. But before we go through the question, I would like just to put just a highlight. I know you may have ideas in all these things, but just for the sake of it, I put why we should use a particular formula for if at all we are given, the figure which has been given is rotated about the x-axis, and also about the y-axis. I will drop another video for the y-axis. The volume V obtained when the function y is equal to f of x is rotated through 360 degrees about the x-axis between the boundary values of x is equal to a and x is equal to b is given by volume is equal to the integral with the values of x ranging from a to b. We multiply that pi times that particular function of y, and it has to be squared, and we have to integrate that with respect to x. So the example here, find the volume obtained when the shaded region is rotated through 360 degrees about the x-axis. So just from the highlight, you can see there that the volume has to be the integral moving from A to B. We multiply x by the square function of y and integrate that with respect to x. So now, when you look at this now, we get the function y. So y is equal to 9 divided by 3x plus 2. Now, remember, we have to square, so we square both sides. This is square, and this is square. So our y squared will be equal to 81 divided by 3x plus 2 to the power 2. And now, substituting in the formula, volume is equal to, we can see that this pi is a constant, therefore we can factorize it. So we factor it out. This integral, the values of x for this particular shaded region, they are ranging from 1 to 2. So our a is 1 and our b is 2. So this pi, we have already factorized it here. Factorize it here. Therefore, our y squared is this, which is 81 divided by 3x plus 2 squared. And we have to integrate this with respect to x. So from here, this pi comes as it is. We've not integrated anything, therefore this, using the properties of indices, we can raise this up and it will have now the negative sign, so it will be 3x plus 2 to the power negative 2. We have still not yet integrated. So this is equal to pi. Again, now, from here, we have to integrate. So how is it going to be? So pi is multiplying by 81. Then we add plus 1, this power So what are we going to have? We are going to have 3x plus 2 to the power negative 1 divided by negative 1 multiplied by 3x plus 2 prime. So, since now we are almost done with the integration, though this part has not yet been done, the limits, one comes here and then the 2 comes here. So here we are still multiplying by pi. So we can see that 81 multiplied by 3x plus 2 to the power negative 1 divided by, when we differentiate this, we are going to get 3. 3 times negative 1, we have negative 3. We have not yet used the limits. So now, dividing 81 divided by negative 3, what are we going to get? We are going to get negative 27. Now, dropping this again using index rule, we are going to have 3x plus 2. We have not yet used the limits. So from here, we are going to maintain the pi. Then now we use the limits. So where there is x, we substitute. So here we are going to have negative 27 divided by 3 multiplied by 2 plus 2 minus, now, on the, negative 27 divided by 3 multiplied by 1 plus 2. Now, we have worked out the limits, therefore we proceed. Pi negative 27 over 2 times 3 is 6 plus 2, that will give us 8, minus negative and negative actually gives us positive, so we have 27 over, there is a 3 here, 3 times 1, 3 plus 2, that gives us 5. So working out fractions, we look for a common denominator which is 40. 8 times, because there 8 times 5 is equivalent to 40. Then when we divide 8 into 40, that's 5 times negative 27, we are going to get negative 135, plus 5 into 40, that's 8. Okay, so when we divide now 40 divided by 5, we are going to get 8. 8 multiplied by 27, we are going to get 216. So from here we proceed. Now, what is the difference between 216 and 35? We are going to get 81. 81 over 40. Then we multiply, because we have, if you are using a calculator or a calculator, you can easily divide those more like decimal numbers, but since we have no factors, we can leave it as it is, so it will be 81 over 40 by units, since this is volume cubed. So this is pretty much on how you can work out questions which have to do with the volume. Be sure I'll be dropping some other questions about this which are a bit complicated than this. This one we only had one function, so where we have two functions. Please do not forget to subscribe so that you can see those videos which I'll drop about this same topic now, which has to do with two functions. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.